So we'll just go ahead and put the password as Cisco, or better yet, CCIE. And then what we'll do here, we'll just do one last command. We'll just do a neighbor IBGP, and then we'll just do, say you're tagging, neighbors with community tags, or setting communities within your BGP autonomous system. What we can do here is we can do the neighbor IBGP send community option. So we're going to be sending all of our community information to our neighbors to be peer with. Okay, so that should be enough for our basic peer group implementation. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 commands. And again, if we have 3 neighbors here from router 1, so if we were to put all of these commands under each neighbor, if we're running a full mesh, that's going to be 12 commands that we're going to have to specify, within our router configuration. And this is a very small implementation of IBGP. A lot of service providers, there's a lot of companies out there running huge networks, so their IBGP configuration would be maybe 100 times this or greater. So we're just showing you a very small example of how this might be an advantage for your implementation of BGP. But as you can see here, 12 commands we can simplify down to maybe half of that. And what I'm going to show you here is exactly how many commands we'll be simplifying our configuration with. So now what we need to do is we need to peer with our neighbors here. So again, to peer with router 2, we're going to be doing neighbor 2.2.2.2, and then our command here is going to be peer group, and then the peer group name. So again, here our peer group name is IBGP, so we'll go ahead and just specify that. Right, now, and that's it. That's all we need to do. Just doing this command here for router 2, every command that's under this peer group IBGP will be applied to that neighbor. So we don't have to go under the neighbor and do a send community. We don't have to do a password CCIE. We don't have to do the update source loopback.